Alright, we finally got on a spot where we could actually see what we got. So here's the 6 EK1 series and 75 cent the car mount and a couple little goodies. Nice air freshener, a thank you note, stickers, and this, my favorite part. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and open it real quick. I'll show you guys what's in there. Sheesh. There she is. Small little tiny screen. Hopefully we don't drop it. Oop, there it goes. First drop. Oh, it's pretty tiny. So it looks, it's almost as big as the GoPro, kind of, but not really. Let's see how you turn it on. Power. I think it needs to be connected to some source of power. Yep. So it has no internal battery on there. Comes with that. And cables for the LBD2. Power cord. And this. And the SD card is in here already. Shit, I did not want to do that. Yeah, it already comes with an SD card right there. So I'll take it out. I'll drop it. Alright guys, we got the EK1 Mini here. I'm about to plug it in and walk through the procedures of how to get the proper information needed to get the tune ready. I know for the M vehicles you have to get a patch before actually starting on it. But here it is, the EK1 Mini. It's pretty small, pretty straightforward. But yeah, I'm about to turn off the lights because I don't want it to kill the battery. I'll be right back. Alrighty, pretty much once you have the vehicle on, you know, you connect it and you're able to turn it on. This thing, you have to go to power mode. And then read ECU ID basically. Hopefully it's not too bad of a video. And then you gotta pick the correct one. And for the launcher end, it's a Element SIM S2K250, I believe. Let's see.
Model. If you don't see read ECU ID, you'll first need to update the firmware of your EK1 Lite, and you can find this process in our firmware update video. For the Elantra N, you'll scroll to the Siemens SIM2K250. Press enter.
There it is. Siemens SIM2K250. This is what we need. Okay. I'm gonna take a picture of this real quick. So that's basically, you need this here. This number right here is the most important. And I'll be right back. I'll put you guys to the next step. Alrighty, once you're done getting that information, then you're basically going to put your basic information, which is like the last 6 of your VIN, your EK1 serial, which you'll basically find on here. And then you're going to find the ECU type and then the calibration ID. The calibration ID, basically the calibration ID would be the number that you've basically scanned the ECU for when it says read ECU, and then you got that number. Alright, as you can see, I don't know if this is really focusing or not. There you go, that's the application ID. And then you basically put that as your calibration ID. And then you go to the ECU patch files. And then you gotta find the same one that matches yours, which is, let's see, CN. So mine says this one, CNP PNKM __ FT5A. So the same one as this one. CNPNKM __ FT5A. So then you're gonna basically click, make sure we're getting the right one. Download right here, and then it will basically download to your files. Let's see. Once you basically download it, you drag it to your PC, and then you go to your drives. And I have EK1 Mini. So a lot of people were saying that the maps folder wasn't made yet, but in my case it is made. So I dragged it from my desktop into here, so it should just be one file, but for me it saved basically the application ID right there, but it shouldn't be an issue, but I'll double check and then I'll get back with you guys. But yeah, you just basically put it on the map section, and then you just go here, and then you go maps, and then you drag it into here basically. Alrighty, this is the moment of truth, boys. This is one of the more scarier moments when you're basically putting it in. Basically turn it to accessory mode. Just press the button for the EK1 Mini here. Moment of truth. 1 second. Alright, so it's on now. We're gonna do power mode. Writing ECU. Giving the disclaimer. Enter, and then you do the 6 boot patch. Basically, and this is a moment of truth. Just checking data. It's just reading, make sure everything's good. Pretty sure it might be dummy proof, so let's see what's up. And this is when all the lights come up, the Christmas trees. And the scary part. And they basically state, do not touch this at all. Just let it be, and it'll tell you when. Alright, it's been about almost 8 minutes because I started this late, and it's 69%. You can see that 70 now. So yeah, it's very important for your battery to be make sure to check your battery before you do this. The car is fairly new, it barely has 5,000 miles, so you know my battery should be more than fine, should be great. But yeah, it doesn't hurt to double check your battery, you know, test it, make sure the voltage is 12.6 or better. But yeah, we're still waiting. Hopefully when we turn the car on, everything's fine. So to be fully transparent with you guys, you know, this is my first time ever doing any type of tuning or flashing. So SXTH Element EK1 light install video is pretty good. Their video is very thorough, and like it walks you through the steps, and it has multiple steps. It tells you like when you get your package what to do, open it. Well, I guess we're 100%. So now we gotta, shit, my bad. Now we gotta turn it off for 30 seconds. Everything should be good now. So turn the car off. 30 seconds. Start now. But anyways, as I was saying, their videos are very good, and I watched it a couple times, like 3 to 4 times plus, just to basically go through the steps and, you know, not to miss anything. But they're pretty good with their video, and if you have any questions, you know, you could hit up their customer service. And the guy's name that was helping me out is Nathan, because I actually fat fingered the VIN number initially. So that goes up 30 seconds. So now we could turn on the car, and And there she goes. Everything's good to go. Oh yeah, I have my TPMS light, but yeah, it looks like everything's good. No warning lights, you know, just TPMS. My check engine light was actually on previously because I have the decatted downpipe from Shark Racing, but everything seems fine. Good to go. Yeah, if you have any questions or any concerns or issues, you definitely get to talk to Nathan from SXTH Element, and they're pretty fast. You know, they are in Korea, so you gotta remember the time difference and stuff. But yeah, that's that. So I'll be getting the tunes from N75 soon. I'm actually gonna email them right now and then go from there. But yeah, it seems like the car is fine, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna be basically writing the tune, basically flashing the ECU right now. I'm gonna put you guys through the steps real quick.